Hello, TikTok family. Hey, look, I was just saying to myself, when you been fucked so good and the motherfucker was touching spots they ain't had no business touching, but your pride won't let you fuck them again because you found out they got a significant other. And if they didn't feel like they was doing something wrong when they told you that they ain't got no woman or no man, they sneaking. So my thing is, y'all don't have no sneaky pussy and no sneaky dick. Don't have it, for real, y'all. Don't have sneaky pussy and sneaky dick. Please don't. You know what I mean? But I'm talking about I miss this dick, Jesus. But my pride would not let me even talk to him or fuck with him again.